Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create liquid pouring effect with Maya 2022 bend and wave deformer, just like this. So let's get started. Hide this one or delete. Take a polygon cylinder, decrease the radius of your cylinder to 0.3, increase height to 11, subdivision height type here 40. Go to deform, nonlinear, click bend. This will create a bend handle. Turn on X-ray mode to see the bend handle. Now increase the curvature. Low bound type 0. Turn off your X-ray mode. Move your bend handle up. Select your bend handle and your cylinder. Move them here. Move up. Just here. Again select your bend handle. Move the bend handle up. Increase the curvature. Select your bend handle and your cylinder. Move them here. Now again select your cylinder, go to deform, click nonlinear to wave. This will create a wave handle. Go to side view and also your front view. Move the wave handle here. Top view and see. Rotate your wave handle 90 degree along Z-axis. Decrease the size of your wave handle and move down. Now hide your pot. Select your cylinder. Press D or insert key. Press V to snap the pivot point here. Now decrease the frame to type here 70. Select your wave handle. On frame 1, type here wavelength 0.1. Right click, key selected. Go to frame 70 or 60. Type here wavelength 0.4. Right click, key selected. Go to frame 1, click play and see. Increase the amplitude to 0.3. Click play and see. Now unhide your pot. Select your cylinder. Right click, assign new material. Select blend. Change the blend color to this color and increase transparency. Now click play and see. Again on frame 1, select your cylinder. On scale Y, type here on frame 1, key selected. On frame 22, scale Y type 1, right click, key selected. Now go to frame 1, click play and see. Select your pot, move the pot slightly here. Go to show, hide your deformer. Again go to frame 1, click play and see. Again select your pot, move just here. Go to frame 1, click play and see. In this process, you can create liquid pouring effect in Maya 2022. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.